Hi there, students. Tu quoque. Okay, this is an exclamation. This is something to reply to somebody when they accuse you of something. This is when you say that they are guilty of the same thing. So she said to me that I never cleaned the house, and I said tu quoque. That's why the house is such a mess. You don't do it either. Okay, tu quoque. You are guilty of the same thing that you are accusing me of. It's a reply to an accuser saying that they are guilty of the same offence. It means you likewise. This is an interjection. Yeah, it's a retort implying that the person who's accusing you is also guilty of the same crime. You always spend your money on frivolous things. Tu quoque. You do as well. That's why we've never got any cash. Yeah, both you and I are spending money on frivolous things. Maybe we should both stop. Okay, so this is a case of the pot calling the kettle black. Tu quoque. Yeah, the same applies to you. Maybe a politician accusing another politician of corruption, and the other politician replies tu quoque. You as well. The same applies to you. You are guilty of the same thing. Okay, so yeah, this is both of us are in the same situation. Yeah. Okay, this is a type of ad hominem attack that you aren't allowed to make this accusation because you're guilty of it as well. No, the accusation is still valid, no matter if this person is guilty of the same offence. So tu quoque, it's answering a criticism by saying that the same criticism is valid of you. You can also use this tu quoque if somebody insults you. Yeah, if somebody insults you, you say tu quoque, the same to you. Yeah, so somebody swears at you, tu quoque, the same. Okay, so this tu quoque, it's an argument which is trying to discredit the person who's saying something by saying that they are guilty of this too. And the fact that they are guilty of this too means that they are not in a position to accuse you of it. I can be guilty of something and accuse somebody else of the same thing. But, well, it's a type of response. Yeah, so you cheated on your test. Don't you know that's wrong? Tu quoque. You cheated on your test last year as well. So it's the same thing. Yeah, it's trying to discredit what somebody's saying because you are alleging that they have done the same thing or they have said the same thing in the past. But okay, tu quoque, you did exactly the same thing. You are guilty of exactly the same. You're accusing the accuser, or that's the idea of it at least. Tu quoque, you did the same thing. You are guilty of the same thing. Okay, formality. Okay, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation. You could use it in a semi-formal writing, but this as an as a phrase is normally used spoken as an exclamation. Exclamations are normally spoken, but you could use it in a semi-formal or formal writing as well. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from Latin. Tu, you, and quoque, also. So you also, the same to you, the same is valid of you. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Tu quoque.